चाहिए glowing sun protected skin हर रोज? Get it all in just a few seconds, दोस्त. Presenting India's first ever illuminating sunscreen. Soft glowing skin is activating. Moisturizer, highlighter, sunscreen packed in one. You know this summer's going to be super fun. Put your stunning face forward in one easy step. Super hydrated skin, now all prepped. SPF35 करेगा harmful rays को fight. On skin, this glow-giving sunscreen feels super light. Suitable for all skin types. करो UVA, UVB, harmful rays को swipe. Enriched with citrus juice, shea butter और papaya. ये है radiant skin का messiah. Oil-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free. Keep your skin moisturized while you soak up sun absolutely carefree. धूप हो या छाँव, use this Bling leader without fail. Make this illuminating sunscreen your next holy grail.